All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. All right. So it's Friday. The market's going to do what it does. And you already know on Fridays, the market tends to slow down. Things tend to slow down. Some people don't even trade on Fridays. The market is very slow on Fridays. It could be for many reasons. It could be just people just don't feel like to trade on Fridays. People decide not to trade on Fridays because of the market being slow. People tend to sell their shares or stock on Fridays because some people don't want to leave their money on the table and ride it until over the weekend until Monday, because sometime Monday there'll be a strong pullback. Okay, but you have to keep in mind what is the saying? How's the saying goes? When the sheep's when I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. So like when the sheeps are asleep, the wolves will come out or something like that. If you know the saying, put it in the comment section. But anyway, okay. So let's just keep out for some runners, okay? I feel like there's going to be some more runners, especially in the penny market, okay, guys? I'm a big fan of penny stocks, okay? I don't care what no one says. I don't care about no one saying that, oh, these are dying companies. There's crappy companies. You know what? There's crappy companies in the stock market that's well over $10 or well over $100. And some people feel like those are crappy companies, okay? So as long as the stock is on the market, there's an opportunity to make some money. That's how I feel about it, okay? Some of these companies, even companies that's been there for a long time, like Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, those stocks been there forever, but some people will just get in and they don't hold those for long term. They just get in, make some money, and get back out. The same way with penny stocks. You get in, you make some money, you get out. Or you just hold it to whenever, but you also know the rules of penny stocks. If it's on the watch list to be delisted, you better do your research, figure out the day that they need to be compliant. If they're not compliant by that date, then they're going to get delisted. So that's the most important thing you need to figure out about penny stocks, when they will get delisted. And also watch out for reverse splits, because sometimes they tend to do a reverse split prior to the day of delisting. Not the day of, but leading up to the listing date. Okay, so that's some tips that I've learned. So you take that and apply it to whatever you're learning. But okay, here's my watch list for today, May 24th. Okay, I built this up really, really quick. Now, by no means everything on this list I'm not invested in, okay? These are just some things I'm watching. I'm waiting for certain moves. If they move the way I want to, then I'll get in, okay? This is one I put on here on my list, and I really want to keep an eye on this. I think that's why I put it at the top. It's NCPL, okay? I don't know anything about the company. I'm just looking at numbers. I'm looking at other things, and then if it tends to take off, then I'll probably get in. If it pulls back, I may get in. But a week ago we were down here in the 18 cent, and then it ran back up to 23. So what was the lowest point? Let's see. Let's go down here and look at the today's high, today's low, 52-week high, 52-week low. So see that 52-week low? I'm gonna give y'all guys some, what they say, some sauce. I'm gonna give you the sauce, okay? And guess what? I'm not even charging for this. I'm not. Some people say you should charge. You should start a Discord. You should charge. You know what? When I get to the point I feel like I'm a professional, then I will become a professional advisor, where I will get paid, okay? But I'm not a professional advisor. So as I'm learning, I'm sharing some stuff with you guys. If you guys want to use it, you use it to your advantage or whatever, then you use it. But I'm not charging anybody for anything. If I ever ask for anything, then I'll leave a link to, you can buy me a cup of coffee. I'll leave that link down there, okay? If you guys want to donate money or whatever. I'm not charging people for anything that I talk about, because all I'm doing is purely talking about it. And a lot of times I'm speculating, but okay, it is what it is. Okay, let's get right into it. I want to keep on going. But here's the 52-week low. It's 11 cents. So just keep this in mind. If this pulls back to 11 cents, you gotta know, you gotta think that, this may be a good point to get in, right? Because look where it's at now, 31. What was the 52-week high? Where is it at? 52-week high, $1.65. Now you can always go by that, but you can kind of use it as a guide, okay? And it's already like at 31 cents. It already pulled up this morning. But keep an eye on that, guys. I'm gonna move along quickly. Keep an eye on Clue Health, okay? Because it's trying to do its thing. It's like consolidating. It's moving up. It's consolidating. Let's look at the history. I'm gonna look at the history because this may. Okay, so I don't know if they did a reverse split. Maybe one, maybe, I guess. I'm not sure. But it doesn't look like they did many. A year ago, they were up here. They've been down for like the whole year, under $1. But I want to definitely keep an eye on it. Let's look at the 52-week high on that. 52-week high is 77 cents. Okay. 52-week low is 08. I did at one point, got in at 08, and then I sold when I made a little bit of profit. I think I made like $100 and some on that, on this stock. But keep an eye on it. It could pull back. It is Friday, and people tend to sell stuff, okay, on Fridays. So keep an eye on that. Lucy, keep an eye on this. I remember this stock from like a long time ago, and I remember a guy talking about it. I used to watch him on YouTube. He was really deep into this, but we want to keep an eye on it because it has nice run-ups, and then it pulls back. But it's already up here to 23.6. So right here it's at 23.9. So you can already expect that it may hit this point, but if it can't pass this, it's just probably going to fall back down to like 21 or something. But keep an eye on Lucy. I have this on the watch list. I'm not in it, okay? I'm just watching it. BIOR. One MedNet. I want to keep an eye on this because I'm just watching this one move because it's already up pre-market. Like, what is that? 221%. But I'm not jumping in because it's already up too high. This is my baby right here, okay? I'm not saying for you guys to get in, but I've never sold any share. I could have scalped it, but I'm not a scalper like that, okay? If I was a day trader, I will have an account for day trading to where I can continuously scalp, okay? But this is my baby. This is the one I'm going to stay in for a while until a certain date, or until I hit my target price, okay? Or my price as it's coming down. I'm not going nowhere on this, okay? And I remember I told you guys I was going to increase my shares to 5,000 shares right there. When they had a pullback over here, down, come on, chart, down over here, I bought some more. Like I bought some more and put it over to 5,000. So I'm good. My total value is $471. I'm already up $93 on the day. I'm not going nowhere because I have a target price for this. As long as it doesn't mess up leading up to the listing date, then I'm good, okay? But I have my eye on this, okay? That's my baby right there. This one I just put on the watch list, UPXI. And come on. I put this on the list. I'm not doing anything with it. I just want to keep an eye on that. That's on my watch list. ALCE. This is on my watch list too. I think this may attempt to push back up to like 27 or 28. Okay. It may push back up, but who knows? The volume is what? 13 million. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Also MGOL, I have that on the watch list. And that's it, guys. Okay. That's it. And I like to be transparent with you guys for this count only. I'm going to show you guys. This is where I was earlier in the week, or today, this morning, it was at 460. Then we dropped all the way down here to 435. And now we're back up up here almost to 500. So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, earlier in the week I was way up here. Like, we go back, like I was way up here, 600, 700, 800, right? But that was also with some other stock that I had. Because remember, I sold some stocks. I took the $100 that I made off one stock and I moved into something else. So I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on my main one, which is this one right here. Okay. All right, guys, I have to go. See you next one. Take care. Peace.